Natural disaster survival. It's a game where you have a lot of disasters. And you have to survive them. And I'm gonna stay outside because why not? Let's just get it started. Okay, this might take a while. I have no idea what's happening. Is anything gonna happen? I guess I'm just... Whoa, meteor shower! Find a shelter, find a shelter, find a shelter. Oh no, oh no! Find a shelter! Oh no! Find a shelter! Did I just die? Okay, I have health. I just lost some health. This place is... I've got to get out of this place. Oh god. Oh my god! That was so close! Oh my god. Oh. Is it over? Whoa. Oh my god, what the? I have no idea what's going on out there. Damn, that's a... Whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's a lot. Ah. There's gonna be some falling right in this hole. Oh my god, no! Dude, what the? Oh god, oh my god! Some are falling in. Ah! What the hell? I can't see. Oh, more places are destroyed. Oh my... Let's go! I survived! Let's go! Nice. Okay, cool. I don't have much health. Actually, I do, but just look at that. Ah. Everybody's okay. I think it's... Oh, Rainbow Ride. Looks like a theme park. No, I'm not gonna friend him. Yay, there's a theme park. I wanna ride. I wanna ride. I wanna ride. No. 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 Oh, I wanna ride. I wanna ride. No. I'm missing. No. I'm missing. What? Wait. Ah, I'm getting crushed. When is this thing gonna stop? Whoa! Earthquake! Earthquake! Oh no, I've got to get away from structures! Get away from structures! Get away from structures! Oh god, it's toppling! Ah! Oh god, oh, I think I'm gonna survive this. Oh my god, this thing's falling. I've got to move. Oh god. I died. Oh, I died. I died. No, I died. Why? Why do I have to be killed? Can I walk here? Yes, I can. Quickly go up these steps. Man, I literally just got KO'd by that. Oh, look, I can see some people. I can see some people. Nice. Okay, when is the next round? Ugh. When is the next round? Oh, only 3 survivors. Wow, that one was deadly. That was really deadly. Do you think this game is fun? I do. I like this game. Yep. Oh, what the heck? I just... Yay! I want to go on the rocket ship. I need to go on the rocket ship. I've got to go. I want to ride the rocket. Ugh, my mouse. No, it's taking off without... Ooh, no! Oh no, I have low health. No. Oh, I'm gonna die this round. I'm so gonna die. Is there a big group here? Oh, nice. Oh, fire. Where does the fire start? There's a fire. Oh no, I'm so gonna die with this. There's a fire. Okay, good thing it's not virus. Man, he has the balloon. Cool. Oh, it's coming from the building. It's coming from the building. Yeah, I just got a badge for escaping the rocket. Like I was just about to climb in, and then it launched without me, and then I nearly died. God, that's big. Oh God, no time to chat. It's big. It's really big. Oh, that thing's like. I have low health. I have really low. Ooh, oh my God. Oh my God. Uh, okay, that does not make me take damage. Boy, cool rich boy 92 stepped on the fire. Well, this doesn't do anything. It's already burnt. God, I survived. That was actually really easy to survive. That was really easy to survive. I think fire is the easiest one to survive. Yay, I survived. Yeah, I survived. Nice. Okay, I'm probably gonna have time for one more round, and then it'll have to be the end of the video. I'm just gonna KO myself because I'll get full health next time. Modest quarters. Cool. Okay. Oh, that's tall. That's really tall. I'm gonna climb up that thing. I want to climb up that thing. Because it will be really good for flash flood, really bad for earthquake. Is it a storm? I'm going up. Oh. And I died. Due to fall damage. I died due to fall damage. Bruh, that was so... Yes, and the acid does the thing. Now that I died so quickly... Yeah, I'm not going to be able to finish one. I mean, I have 5 minutes left on my timer. Oh, the building. Look at the building. It's destroying itself. Oh, no. Man, doesn't this just look so cool, actually? I don't want that. Poor guy right there is dying. I think he's dead. Okay, I've got like a few minutes left. Just waiting for this to be over. Man, it's taking a long time. Okay, I've definitely learned something. Fall damage is a thing in this game, so I can't fall from high heights. Like, if it was earthquake, I was planning to go off the top and then just jump to the ground. But I guess that's a really dumb idea. Oh, I can do this. Yeah, nice. I did it. I did it backwards. Sunny Ranch. Ooh, look. Yeah, okay, I guess I do have enough time for one more. I'm gonna go inside. Because I like this place. And these are the sheds with a bunch of poop in them. Yeah, I want to get out here. Yeah, I should actually probably stay inside. I have full health, yes. Wonder what kind of thing it should be. If it's acid rain, I'm staying in. If it's earthquake, I'm getting out. Actually, I should get out this way. Jeez, hurry up. Oh my god, no, it's a tsunami. I'm gonna drown like this. Is there a place? Is there a place? Yes, yes. Get up, get up, get up. Get up. No. Gotta get up. Oh, the tsunami's right there. It's gonna destroy our building. Oh god. Oh my god. I hope there's not another wave. Is there another wave? I hope not. Okay, I think I survived that. Oh my god, that was close. I think I survived that. Did I? Yeah, I took barely any damage, actually. Well, okay, I guess it's getting close to the end of the video right now. But, geez, poor that guy. If he just jumps off right there, he's gonna die, man. Yo, I survived! Nice! So, I guess it's gonna be the end of the video for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you liked it. And bye!